Germany, about 50 miles north of Hamburg. Also known as the Sailing City due to its picturesque waterfront location, it's become home to international events, including the yearly Kiel Regatta, the largest sailing event in the world. I'm going to meet Eva, my local tour guide, who I'm told has some good meals and visits planned for me. As I walk through the town to find her, I can't help but notice not much going on. The streets are noticeably empty. The stores all seem closed, and I'm starting to wonder if there's actually anything open at all. Here she is, and she assures me we'll have a great day. So it's Sunday, so what's open? Is there anything here?
Nothing is open.
Nothing. It's like
Everything is closed. I'm so sorry.
First, she brings me to the top of City Hall for a bird's eye view of the town. Unfortunately, most of the town's historic buildings were destroyed during the Second World War, so there isn't much architecture to speak of. Even the remains of the Kiel Castle were replaced with more modern architecture. As we head back through the building, I see an unusual-looking elevator called a Paternoster that's kind of like a dumbwaiter for people. It just goes up and down moving all the time. It's a dumbwaiter for people. That's what it is. But it's Sunday and not running, so I can't see it in action.
Always working.
It never stops, so you have to jump off. We head back through the still empty streets, but this is Germany after all, and she takes me to the one place she knows is definitely open, the town's brew pub. The Keeler Brewery is as you would expect, with long oak tables and benches, murals on the walls, and copper brewing kettles. Very different. Did she like it? I get to try a couple of their home-brewed beers and some tasty snacks, and find out that the pub is really popular with Norwegians and Finns, who ferry over for the day getting beer for about a quarter of the cost they would pay at home. Try two-fisted.
Nice.
This is very German, right?
Two-fisted beer.
This is very German.
That's quite.
1 liter.
Heading down to the waterfront, Ava brings me to the fish bar seafood stand that she tells me has some of the freshest and most delicious fish sandwiches around. It doesn't look like much more than a shack, but it's got a great menu and my food looks and smells great. We sit down to talk a bit about the town and the fish. Well, I got the herring in red wine. Look at that color. I have no idea what kind of red wine they use, but
I don't know exactly.
but I think the food here is all high quality, so I'm expecting it to be a good red wine too. I don't know what the sauce is though. Do you know what that is?
Remoulade?
Oh, it's a remoulade. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Uh-huh.
And the bread itself looks wonderful. It's also fresh and hammy. Yeah, and the herring, I guess the fish comes from here.
The taste?
Yeah. And what did you
the herring
get?
is coming from here.
Yeah.
Yes, you can go fishing in the Herm, next to the city, next to the main train station. You can see the fishing. They go fishing right there. But did you hear about Kieler Sprotten? You know what it is? A Kieler Sprotten?
Well, the brotter part is bread, right? No, it's not at all. What is it?
Kieler comes from Kiel. Sprotte is a small smoked fish, like this. And you can eat it with head and tongue.
The whole fish.
The whole fish.
And what does it taste like? The bones and everything?
It's a little bit salty.
So like an
smoked.
anchovy? Oh, it's a smoked.
I like it very much. But it's the finger smells.
Yeah.
But you can eat it with.
So
I don't like to eat it with.
So what's it called again?
Kieler Sprotte.
Kieler Sprotte.
It's a Sprotte.
Yeah, Sprotte from Kiel.
From Kiel.
Oh, that's cool. The herring is
Perhaps
delicious.
I can show you later Kieler Sprotte.
Oh, that'll be nice actually.
Just now I took some, and that don't come from Kiel for sure.
The
But
salmon
the herring
doesn't.
is.
This is from here.
Yes, from here.
It's really good. It's like so soft. Well, I can't be in this sailing city without a short ride on a cutter. Nice view of the ship from here. Back along the waterfront, Ava takes me to the Fortlick Restaurant right by the Kiel Lighthouse. It's gorgeous out now, and people are sitting around outside sipping their beers and eating massive portions of exciting-looking food. Seafood and fish seem a big draw here, and I'm in for a treat as Chef Jan Horstman takes me to the kitchen to prepare a few specialties, with a little bit of help from yours truly. He plans on making me a herring dish, and I can't wait to see how he prepares it. We start with potatoes.
We start with the pan fried
It's
potatoes.
awfully hot, very hot, huh?
Yeah, it must be hot, otherwise they get to stick. in the pan.
Yeah, that
So
way to
you
make
can
it.
use- yeah.
That,
So then
it's the chef technique.
with salt and pepper. So
The German potatoes.
German potatoes. Cook them first, peel them, and then slice them.
Most meals have potatoes, don't they, in Germany?
Yes.
These are
These are
herring?
the herrings, yeah.
So you just fry them up really hot like that?
Yes, really hot. Now we turn them around. So then after a while they get into bacon.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, that makes it
For,
really
for,
good.
for the taste as well.
So these are kind of small. I mean, there's not a whole lot of meat, so you don't have to cook them for very long then.
No, they're nearly ready. They were quite soft already.
Oh, yeah.
So,
And, oh, I already feel the
yeah,
crisp,
you
like the
just have to
crispy
make sure
skin.
that it is ready cooked here.
Yeah.
Because it's very thick here and it's thin here.
Right.
So they must be
So you have to make sure they're
turn
even.
around a little bit. A little bit greenly.
And a little crunch, I guess, too, yeah? But now I know why it's so good, the creme fraiche.
Yeah.
I always thought it was sour cream or yogurt, so. Look at those guys. Wow. Those herring look great. And with bacon rendered potatoes and that creamy cucumber salad, I'm ready to sit down and dig in. But first, remember Ava mentioned that small fish Kieler Sprotten? Well, I get to try it here after all.
We've got here the Kieler Sprotte. It's a very small fish and it's smoked. So it's here on the other side of the Kiel Fjord. Then it's smoked it and then we get it here. So you take the head off and then you eat it like this.
The whole thing up to the tail.
And this is the rest you leave here.
There's no bone in there?
Just the bones, but they're so small.
Just
And if there's some bones sticking, you can take this one.
Maybe I should do that before I do that, huh? Ooh, that smells good. All right, so
Yeah.
my turn. All right, so I pull the head off,
Yes,
and then that's it.
all in. Right. And
Oh,
you
that's
got
wrong.
your diploma for the Kieler Sprotte.
I got my diploma.
You got a diploma from
All
the Kieler
right.
Sprotte.
Thank you. My diploma. What a great souvenir. Thank you. And a reminder how to eat this little fish. That's the
Yes, you
bone,
can-
and that's it. It's so little.
This is all.
Not me. Well, now we have our herring.
Yeah.
This is different. You have to eat this differently. So this I
Yeah,
have
you-
to take the head, the tail,
Genau.
and the bones off. So
And then you can take this here.
no, I see. You get the whole bone out then.
So. And then most of the bones are already out, and then you can go here and peel it
Yes.
like this.
A little more work to this fish,
So
but good.
that's all.
Okay. I'm just going to get a little piece here that doesn't have any bones.
These are just the best one bones there in there. They go underneath the bottom. So
It's a little bit harder to eat this. Should I mix it with the Gherkin salad or
yes, just try it like
just
this,
try-
and then
Oh, wow. You could taste how fresh that is. After all that waiting and hard work with the bones, I finally get to taste the herring. And the waiting is worth it. It's super fresh, flaky, and cooked to perfection. So herring itself isn't salty because, you know, most people think herring, we get it when it's marinated or cured,
this is
and it's so
is
salty.
one of the herrings called Matjes then.
Yes,
And then they make quite Matjes with rhubarb, muffins with pepper, with garlic, with everything.
That's the one my dad grew up with.
And or smoked matches as well. So and then they put them in oil to keep them for a long time. When you go on the sailor
It's so
ship,
different. It's so
you
different.
can keep this in oil.
Wow,
and then
potatoes and cucumber salad make it complete. Thanks, Jan.
together with pan-fried potatoes, and it's one of the famous dishes.
Heading back to the ship, what do I see? But another fish bar set up in a truck right by the dock. I talked to owner Philip about their concept. So yeah, I had the herring with the red wine sauce,
Yeah.
and it was absolutely delicious. And the remoulade was a little different than I'm used to because it had a little bit of a tang to it.
Yeah.
So what's in that makes it so different?
That's a little bit of a secret because we develop every recipe. It takes us 6 months to develop really a fish roll, and we always look for the right fisherman who gets the right smoker, and then we have a little baker who actually bakes the bread roll for it. So the fish fits perfectly to the bread roll.
Oh, so every fish has a different roll with
Yes,
it?
yes.
Nice. That's
We always
good.
say every fish deserves its own roll. I love fish rolls, and you couldn't get any really. So Daniel and me, we kind of like developed it and made some tastings with friends, and then suddenly we opened up our own business. It's like it
Wow.
just like happened. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
Like that? To sudden, wow,
Yeah.
you wanted to make good food for people, and there
Yeah,
you go. You
yeah.
wanted to eat good food, so
I
you
want
had
to
make.
eat, yeah.
Well,
And
it's so cool to have the truck and your other place, and
Yeah.
it's just like you wouldn't expect to get the quality that you're getting when you stop off at a food truck, right?
Yeah.
So it's such a cool thing that you're doing.
And at the moment with the food truck, we go a little bit more around, and it's quite funny to see the guests because we are like we are in another port sometimes, and then guests think it's like a tourist trap because it's in a tourist
Yeah.
area, and they're so excited that because it's not a touristy thing, because all people from Kiel, because I think we have 300 to 400 customers who actually live in Kiel who comes on a regular
Special.
basis,
Yeah.
and because they know we get a good quality
Oh, I
food.
know, the food's so, it was so
And,
busy.
yeah.